Caught me at my favourite pastime, drinking tea. Now crocus, springtime's coming. Crocus are the first. They're not the first, but they really stand out in the garden, even from a long distance away. The big flowering yellows, purples, oh, stunning things, lovely white ones. Now that's the sort of bulb that you're going to plant. That's the best quality, big bulb. But there is the smaller, delicate species ones. Worthwhile seeking them out. Half the fun of gardening is finding an interest. You find a crocus, but then you start looking around for different varieties, different quality of bulbs. And the species one, I tell you, you'll be knocked out by the delicateness of the, is that word, delicateness? But you'll be knocked out by how nice these are. So the big ones, the little ones, it doesn't really matter. They're all crocus. I'm going to put some of these in the border. Oh, I tell you what, spring's coming. So there's a couple to choose from and lots of colours. The species ones, 5 to 6 centimetres, are lovely little things. But the larger flowering ones, larger bulbs, 7 to 8 centimetres, you can't go wrong with either. Now if you've got a spare bit of soil, put a bulb in. You can't really go wrong. And spring's coming. I'm doing the large flowering crocus. Lovely things. Going to look great in this border. And it couldn't be easier. Right at the front here, because I've got different bulbs at the back. This crocus is trying to eat me, I think, but just in there, just get yourself a little channel and just move it along like that. They don't need much, only about 3 times the diameter of the bulb to go in. Now this is quite heavy soil, it's very wet, very damp. So what you do is a little bit of gravel. Always have a bag of alpine grit, because the bulbs hate, absolutely hate, being stood in water. They'll just rot off. They won't work at all. But you can put these in little pockets, you know, half a dozen. Don't forget, pointed end up, always the pointed end up, down the bottom. And that's all you need to do. And then you just cover them over. Now you'll forget you've done this, but in the springtime you won't forget. So it really is as simple as that. These are large flowering crocus. You'll get a beautiful spike of flower, 2 or 3 inches tall, wonderful yellows, whites, deep purple blues. They really are wonderful. They'll go in the lawn, in the border, in pots. So versatile, a bit like me really.